Hello everybody, this is Hunter Deckelman and this is my cartography final project. So for this project, I chose to look at median family income by state. So the first thing I did was find a good projection for the continental US. I found an equal area conic projection that seemed to work nicely. So here we go. I then went into the data and classified it into 4 different classifications using natural breaks, so that dark red represents the lowest incomes, dark green represents highest incomes, whereas lime green is slightly high incomes and orange is slightly low incomes. I then also included insets for Alaska and Hawaii, so they would be included as well. And then I added all of these labels using sans serif font because these are political boundaries and not physical ones. So after creating this map, I realized that I wanted to do something a little interactive. This seemed like a topic that, yeah, you can get a little bit of an idea of what's going on using static maps like this, but it would be great to actually see or click on each map and see, or in each item and see what's going on in it. So that led me to ArcGIS Online. I chose the 2 states that were the outliers, so Maryland, which is the highest median income, and then Mississippi, which is the lowest median income. Once again, I used the same color scheme. So dark green is the highest incomes, dark red is the lowest. And you can actually see, of course, that using the space map, that those in the Appalachians have a lower income, those in the east have a lower income, and those next to DC, of course, have a higher income. But what's great is that you can actually click and see exactly what the median income per county is. And likewise, you can do that on Mississippi. So one problem I had with Mississippi itself was actually finding a happy medium for the labels. Unfortunately, when looking at the entire state, I could not use the labels because they were just too jumbled. There are 82 counties in Mississippi, so I had to settle on zooming in once. So you can once again see each individual county. So one thing to note is that there was a lot of other data, given that these are census shapefiles, that didn't really make a lot of sense. So I had to actually go through and make sure that only the information that was necessary, and that turned out to be the county name and the income, were present. And I believe that's about it. So thank you for listening.